Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Moto Buds Plus with your iOS device. You have to start by open Settings, then go to Bluetooth. Now open the case and press and hold connectional button on the charging case for at least 2 seconds. We can see that LED light is blinking here, so it means that it's entering to pairing mode, and just click on your earbuds. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!